Hey guys, so the other day you saw me make those little cherry tomato little sauce with some roasted tomatoes and garlic. Like I said in the video when I was making that, all I did, I put it in a blender and blended it up, put it in the fridge. Now I'm going to actually use it. So tonight's meal is super easy. Again, I try to make everything really easy and simple for you guys to follow along. Just a little olive oil. There it is. Here's the sauce. So this sauce has got the garlic in it, it's got salt, it's got a little bit of pepper. And then all I'm gonna do, once this gets heated up a little bit, I'm just gonna put this fish right on top. I've got some rice cooking in the rice maker because I am a horrible person because I don't make rice. I can't make it. I don't know, it comes out sticky, comes out horrible. I don't know what's wrong with me. Okay, here we go. I decided to add a little hot chili peppers. Why not? That's it. Let it simmer. Maybe I'll flip it over, but I'm gonna put a whole thing over rice. I got some broccolini cooking. All right, just gonna turn it over. It's gonna be perfect. Rice from the rice maker. Fish from the ocean. Sauce from the garden. And broccolini from the farmer's market. Yeah, that's it. Follow YouTube, Make It Italian 1. Go buy some Make It Italian, Tabrites, Make It Italian sausage. Hope to see you on the next one. Ciao.